Well, hello my friend. As you have seen in the thumbnail, in this video you will learn how to make your own imaginary character with just letter M. Watch the full video and don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment on the comment section. Without any delay, let's get started.
that haunt your dreams. Set the brush and paint the scene so I can breathe with you. The gravel spikes your feet, the cloth rubs on your knees. So darling, when the rain comes crashing in, I'll be right here and listen to you sing. voice. I'll be by your hand, listen to your voice. Still be here for you along your way. Still be here for you. Still be here for you. I'll still be here for you.